BOTTMAC. An automatic bottling line is a system that is designed to automatically fill, cap, label, and package bottles in a high-speed production line. The bottling line typically consists of a series of machines that are linked together to form a continuous flow of bottles through the production process. The bottling line begins with a machine that cleans and sterilizes the bottles before they are filled. The bottles are then filled with the product using a high-speed filling machine. Once the bottles are filled, they are capped with either screw caps or snap-on caps. After the caps are applied, the bottles move to a labeling machine, where labels are applied to the bottles. The labels can be pre-printed or printed on the bottling line. Finally, the bottles are packed into cases or cartons and prepared for shipping. Automatic bottling lines are widely used in the food and beverage industry, as well as in the pharmaceutical industry. These production lines are highly efficient and can produce large volumes of products in a short amount of time, making them a cost-effective solution for companies that need to produce high volumes of bottled products.